Matt Furlong with MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2021 Sea Ray 400 SLX. This is a beautiful boat. We've got white side hull color to it, black hull bottom. This has the Elite Plus package, so it's going to be loaded up with all kinds of features like dynamic running surface. This has the twin 8.2 liter 380 horsepower Mercruiser engines. Hydraulic rear swim platform. We have the gray sea decking around it. As always with the 400 SLX, we're going to have the drop down side as well. Rear of this boat opens up to give you a nice big lounging area. This has the premium sound system on it, so you're going to have speakers around the back of the boat here as well. As we move through the interior of the boat, you've got the nice big teak table, snap-in sea deck flooring throughout the boat. Coming up through here, and we take a look at the cockpit. At our helm here, we're going to have the dual 12-inch Simrad displays, giving you every option possible to be able to take care of all your boating needs with this vessel. Looking over at our other right side of the helm here, we're also going to have joystick axis control. That's going to give you the ability to basically walk this boat sideways just by the touch of a lever. Coming up around here, as we move towards our midship cabin, just a beautiful, spacious area to come down, relax, get out of the sun. Nice big head area. And then coming through our port side pass-through up to the front of the bow, tons of space up here to hang out and relax. Give us a call here at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Set an appointment. Come check out this 400 SLX today. Thank you.